I will show you how to submit your assignment after you've reiterated, updating your program, and you've got your desired score from the self-checking program. Okay, so again, let's open the terminal. I'm going to use my shortcut. And I want to get to my E160 homeworks folder so I can get to these files. Okay, those were the files that we worked on last video, and we won't get to those same files. Okay, so again, the self-checking program and the submission program is actually two components of the same program, and they both require you to be in the right directory. So make sure you're in the directory that you expect, and in the directory you have your program that you're submitting. Okay, so the command to run it is identical to the self-check. Okay, it's just the second component of that program. So the same caveats apply, same pitfalls. Make sure it's a user ID, not Gmail. Make sure your file name is named correctly, right? Like we have over here. And then make sure you're not entering in the wrong order or entering the file name or any of these other funny commands. Make sure it's your assignment number with your UH username. Okay, so let's run that command. We're in the right directory. Let's go through the grading. And this time I'm going to say yes. Okay? I'm going to say yes. And it should upload your file. It should package your file into a tar file and upload it into your Laulima Dropbox. So to get to Laulima Dropbox, you'll enter into Laulima, click on our class, look at the Dropbox, and right now there's nothing in it. So after we run this submission tool, hopefully it'll upload it to Dropbox. Actually, I shouldn't call it a submission tool, it's more like an upload tool. Okay, so we're going to say yes, and it packaged up our files into a tar file, and now we're going to enter in our UH username password. So I think it's identical whether you're using the email or Laulima. So I'm going to enter it in. And now you've noticed that if we refresh, the program generated a folder, and in it has your tar file. So that's the tar file that when the grader uses, is going to pull down that tar file and extract it and grade the files in there. Okay. So we're not done yet. We still have to submit it. We just upload it to Dropbox to make it easier to submit. Okay. So what the program really saved you was having to download the tar and then re-uploading it to Laulima, and it also packaged it for you. Okay. So one thing that you should always do before submitting is let's download it. And make sure everything we need is in there. Okay, so Apple will expand it for you. And here's our C folder. Okay, Windows, you'll need to download a third-party software. Okay, but for the Macs and Linux, you should be able to just double click it. Okay, so should verify that the program is what you think you've submitted. Okay, so that looks about right. We just close it. We don't need Xcode. Okay, now that we've verified the contents of our tar file and this is what we want to submit, let's go ahead and submit our file. So you would go to Assignments. You'll find the assignment that you're submitting to. Normally should be this one, but for this demonstration, I'm going to use this assignment. So here is our assignment. We are going to attach it from our workspace. And we'll locate our Dropbox. And here's our folder that was created. And we'll select it. Oops. Well, so maybe you can download it from here instead. But we should attach a copy of it. And here it shows up here as an attached file. And we have to submit it by clicking Continue, because this web interface has only attached the file. We still haven't submitted our assignment. So let's submit that. You see our attachments here. And okay, I guess we have to submit it again. So submission confirmed. Make sure you see this message. And then the status should have changed. And I guess you can just look through it. This Laulima user interface is not the nicest, so you kind of have to get used to it. But that's how you submit an assignment. Okay, so make sure that you don't just upload it to Dropbox, but you also have to attach it to your assignment. And after attaching it, you have to submit your assignment. Okay, so I hope that will help you use our grading and submission tool. Again, there's a couple steps. Please don't forget the trailing steps to finally and correctly submit your assignment. Incorrectly submitted assignments will receive a 0. Okay, all right, that's all I have. Take care.